Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Maybe you've been given a gift card for your birthday or Christmas, or you went out and bought one. Either way. So first open up the Amazon app and make sure it is updated to latest version available. Then you want to go and add it to your account. Come to the bottom and go and click on the user or person icon. Then you want to go to the top part of this page where you see this sort of section with 4 buttons and click on your account. Then all you need to do is come into the payment section. There you'll see the option Manage Gift Card Balance. Go and click there. You can then see your current balance and you'll go and see the option Redeem Another Gift Card. You can click there and what you can do is go and scan your code or just go and enter it. You can scan it, it's pretty quick, and then all you need to do is click on Apply to your balance and it'll be added. So that's basically how you can redeem an Amazon gift card. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.